I am currently obsessing over this curd sandwich. So let's begin with this recipe. To make this recipe, first of all let's prepare its filling. So I took 3/4 cup of grated paneer, which is low fat paneer, in a bowl. Paneer is an excellent source of protein, calcium, potassium, selenium, and it helps in bodybuilding, improve body metabolism, and builds stronger teeth and bones. Then I grated half of a carrot and used it. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, vitamins like B1, B6, niacin, dietary fiber, calcium, iron, potassium, copper, phosphorus. Carrot is actually a crucial ingredient for children's healthy growth and development. I gave small pieces of pre-cut onion. Onions are good source of vitamin C, fiber, folate and potassium. I gave green bell pepper cut into small pieces. These are packed with essential nutrients like dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals and potent antioxidants. They may prevent hypertension, regulate blood pressure and also good for eyes. Then I gave half of a tomato. Tomatoes are low in calories and provide important nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. They help to prevent cancer, improve skin and hair health and regulate blood pressure also. I chopped a green chili and used it. These are rich source of vitamin C, beta-carotene and it helps to treat skin infections, help to smoothen the bowel movement and improve the digestive health. I gave chopped coriander leaves which contain high amount of iron, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B3 and phosphorus, calcium. Then I also gave 15 gram of hung curd which is made from low fat milk and the water is already removed from the curd and it is a good source of calcium. Next I used salt, roasted cumin powder and also black pepper powder in quantity I used. You must use it according to your needs. Now I have mixed all the ingredients very well. Now the filling is ready to use. Here I have used 2 pieces of brown bread which is made from atta and it is weigh about 50 grams. I toasted the bread and used them because the toasting bread produces dextrin, so toasted bread is easier to digest than the raw bread. Now I will put all the fillings on top of the bread and spread it evenly on the bread with the back of the spoon. Then I took another bread and placed this filling on top of the bread. So finally the curd sandwich is completely done and I cut this sandwich down the middle with a knife.